Our exhibition is about sharing the planet and the relationships within and between communities of people and other living things. Sharing the planet is one of the themes that all kids in our school learn about.
First, we inquired into our planet's limited resources and the connections between people and other living things. We asked ourselves, what problems are we facing as we share the planet? We found out that when resources are limited, it can cause conflict within communities. We also found out that everything is connected and that human activity can have a positive and a negative impact. That made us wonder, what kind of actions might help resolve the problems that we are facing? We found out that people can make a difference, especially when they work together.
In the beginning of the exhibition process, our teachers introduced us to the issues in the community by having us read articles from our local newspapers. We learned that issues that affect us here in Colorado also affect people in other parts of the world. We talked about what was important to us and decided that we wanted our exhibition projects to focus on what we could do together to make a difference.
So, we created a central idea that would focus on working together and taking action. We thought about all the issues we were concerned about and made a list of words that represented our ideas. Then, tried different combinations of words until we came up with a central idea that we all agreed on.
After developing our central idea, we formed inquiry groups. Kids who had similar interests were grouped together. Then, we used key concept webs to organize our questions. We found out that the concepts we were most interested in were causation, connection, and reflection. We wondered, what are the causes and effects of our activities? How is everything connected? And how will we know we are making a difference? Then we looked for the answers to our questions. We read books from our library and articles that we found in newspapers, magazines, and on internet websites. In the beginning, our research helped us answer some of our questions. But the more we learned, the more questions we had.
We needed to use different skills while researching our topic. Some skills were ones that we had learned in 5th grade, and some we learned in previous grades. We took notes and wrote about what we were learning. We helped each other revise and edit our writing. We also had inquiry discussions which allowed us to share ideas and collaborate in order to make decisions that would affect us all.
We compared the exhibition to a mini-museum and used what we knew about museums to help us create our exhibition displays. We decided that the function of our exhibition would be to share what we had learned and encourage visitors to want to take action too.
Each group used technology skills too. We used the internet to get information and find images for our displays. Some groups created PowerPoints or used digital cameras to take photos or videos.
Adults other than our classroom teachers and our IB coordinator acted as our mentors. Exhibition mentors helped us manage our time and helped us find experts in the community. Sometimes experts came to our school, other times we went on a field trip to visit them. We really learned a lot from community experts. We think that the information we got from experts was the most helpful of all.
When you do a big project like this, sometimes it gets crazy. So, we had to remember to use our IB learner attitudes and learner profile. We had to work collaboratively with each other, our mentors, experts from our community, and with other kids and teachers in our school. This means that we had to share ideas with each other and solve problems that came up along the way. We had to cooperate with each other too. We had a lot of work to get done without relying on our teachers or adults to do the work for us. So, sometimes we divided up the work.
After putting together our exhibition displays, each group decided how they would like to share what they learned in a creative way. This was fun. Together we brainstormed some engaging ways to tell people about the issues that we studied and the actions that we took.
As you tour our exhibition, you will meet the kids who decided to take actions that will begin to resolve the problems that we face as we share this planet. Thank you, and enjoy.